Hello friends, I am Abhay Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel AG Stream. Today I am going to review an entry-level graphic tablet won by Wacom CTL 471. Friends, this is from a Japanese brand which is really famous for making fine quality products. Friends, this tablet really fits in your budget. So if you are a new YouTuber and you really don't want to spend too much, this one's for you then. I'll also reveal, is it really made in China? So let's start the review. Friends, if you make educational videos or want to make educational videos, or if you are a graphic designer, then this is the product to look for. I'm personally using this product for over 2 months now, and let me tell you that it is doing really well for me. No real issues with it so far. So friends, this is the product that you are gonna get. I have ordered it from Amazon. I was really lucky. I got a really good deal. You can also buy it from Amazon. I'll give you the link in my description. Now let's see the product and the accessories that you will get with this product. So friend, this is the box that you will get whenever you buy it, and this is the USB cable that you will get. It is a normal USB cable, nothing special about it. And friends, you will get 3 replacement nibs for the pen, for the stylus. You will need to replace the nib when it gets worn out. There is a ring inside it to remove nibs from the stylus. Friends, this is the user manual or the warranty card that we get. Let's place it aside. This is the driver installation CD that we get with the box. We can also manually download these drivers from online. Now let's place it aside too. And this is the pen or the stylus that we will use to write on our tablet. And finally friends, we have the graphic input tablet here. This is by Wacom, a fine product friends, as you can see. And if we turn it around, look at that. On the back side, the name of the product and the model is written, one by Wacom model CTL 471 with the Wacom logo on the side. And on that side you can see a micro USB slot which we will use to connect it to our PC. And friends, as you can see, this is a very slim and sleeky design. It is very light in weight too. And this is the pen that we are gonna get, very firm grip but no eraser option. And we have 2 shortcut buttons over here which we can customize according to our needs whenever we want. So friends, that is it. Now we will see how it works on our PC. Now I'm going to install the driver in my PC, and we will see how that tablet is working, for which I have to insert this CD into my computer's DVD drive. And friends, this is the installation CD. As I said, it is written over here. It is for both Windows and Mac users. As you can see, it is written Windows and Mac users. So let's insert this disk into computer's DVD drive and see So friends, just insert the DVD into computer's drive and close that, and then open my computer DVD drive and then run startup.exe. Then click on install tablet and select whether you are right or left-handed. I selected right-handed. Now it is asking us to connect the tablet to our PC. I'm connecting it. As you can see, I've connected the USB cable and connected it to computer as well. So now it is connected. I will click on continue and then click on accept. It will take some time and it will install, and it is installed. The program has been installed. Just close it and close it as well, and you might have to restart your computer. Now let's try and write something onto it. As you can see, I'm writing on it. Friends, it takes some time to get used to it. So the tablet has high pressure sensitivity, 1024 pressure levels actually. So it is running really smoothly. Now let's talk about, is this Wacom tablet really made in China? So friends, as you can see, the Wacom headquarters is in Japan and the company itself is founded in 1983. But why is it written that it is made in China? Friends, the thing is that all Wacom products are made in Japan, but some products are assembled in China. Actually, it does not cost much to assemble products in China. That's why Wacom is assembling its product in China. It is cheaper for them. So don't worry, all Wacom products are genuine and made in Japan only. Assembling is done in China. A new model of this product is also available on Amazon. I will give you the link in my description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like or share my video.